Big data. Big data. We are announcing 2 new features for big data. One is big data preparation. Sometimes the most difficult aspect of analyzing data is getting the data prepared to be analyzed. The data can be very dirty. There can be lots of duplicates in data. There could be lots of people's social security numbers in the data that you don't want people to see. So it's very important that the data be cleansed. In addition, you've got to try to understand the format of the data. Big data is, quote, unstructured or semi-structured data. Both terms are used. In other words, there's no predefined schema. There are no sets of attributes and relationships. You have to discover that. You have to discover what those things are. And big data preparation helps you add, I'll go to the next slide. Big data preparation helps you discover the attributes, relationships, and schema inherent in the data. Well, if you had a bunch of social security numbers in the data, that would be a bad thing, but this system would discover them. In preparing it, you'd find that you had social security numbers. How do you feel about that? You have credit card numbers in your data. How do you feel about that? Who are you going to let access this data? So there's a technology called machine learning that actually looks at this data and does basically pattern analysis. And based on the pattern analysis, figures out that these are addresses and these are social security numbers, and I can go on. And it will figure out it will basically figure out what the attributes are, what the structure is, what sometimes even keys, foreign keys, so on. Looking at this data, and it will guide users and help users do this. So you get the data deduped, and you mask or eliminate the secure data, and then you're ready for the data analysis. Which is then done with our big data discovery and visualization cloud service. So this allows you then to take not only data in Hadoop, but also data in the Oracle database, combine them together with a single SQL query, and do the analytics. Think Tableau, but not on the desktop. Think Tableau in the cloud, and not with analyzing spreadsheet data or desktop data or laptop data, but analyzing cloud scale data from Hadoop and Oracle databases and huge files. But still is easy to learn and use, and is familiar with something like Tableau, combined with the vast amount of data you find in the cloud. And this is something, again, allows you to look at structured data, unstructured data, and the combination thereof. Okay, I am running out of time, so I'm going to show you. Who wants me to do the demonstration? I'll go through the demonstration very fast. Okay, I am really going to go fast, and I need my glasses. On this one, I definitely need my glasses. Okay, so let's select year and product type and distinct customers. So I'm getting rid of duplicate customers. So these are discrete customers. So if a customer bought 2 things in one period, it would still show up as one customer. So I'm going to analyze customers and products. And I'm going to take the default visualization. There's always a default visualization. And you can see that in 2012, the blue are the cloud sales, cloud transactions, customers who bought cloud stuff. And the green is people who bought on-premise stuff. And as you see, as we march from 2012 to 2015, that almost 50% of our customers are now buying in the cloud rather than buying on-premise. Again, let's see, customer type. So I'm going to change now to customer type. I'm going to change from product type to customer type. And this is another very interesting trend you can see from 2012 to 2015. You can see now we're selling more to smaller companies. The interesting thing about the cloud, you don't have to buy data center, you don't have to build data centers, you don't need lots of programmers. You can consume these cloud technologies even if you're a mid-size or a small mid-size company. I'm sorry I'm going so fast, but I'll keep going. Okay, so let me create a filter. I'm going to get rid of all the data except 2015, select 2015. Okay, here's the data for 2015, but now I want to look at money. I've been looking at customers, and okay, so let me go back here. Okay, get rid of this visualization, customer type, revenue, salesperson, product type, create visualization. Okay, take the default visualization. All right. This is the default visualization. So this is kind of interesting. Each one of these dots is a salesperson and a transaction. And you can see from this visualization that another very interesting trend, that the sales in the, two interesting trends actually, that the sales in the cloud take less time. I selected average days open. Sales in the cloud take less time than sales on premise. And in a couple of occasions, let me go box these. In a couple of occasions, and go over this one, in a couple of occasions, they're the largest transactions we've done in a while. And, okay, looking at this one, it looks like Alistair Lagarde is the record holder, and he had a transaction of $1,460,506.20. This is obviously real data. I know because I was part of that transaction. I was very involved in getting that last $520.20. Okay. I'm done here in 1 minute. I know I've run over my allotted time. So we showed some very, very simple charts with this, but it's designed for end users all the way up to data scientists. But we have lots and lots of different kind of charts, and let me just go through them quickly. But it's as complete a set of statistical analytics and charting as you will find in any product around. And all right. So